早く日本語が喋れるようになりたいな。皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into all the different ways to express want in Japanese. These expressions are used all the time in everyday conversations. So mastering how to use them will definitely boost your Japanese skills. Grab your notebook and let's get started. First up, we have 欲しい、欲しい or 欲しいです、欲しいです for the polite form. This is used when you want a tangible item. Basically, you are saying, I want this, I want that. The format is as follows. Noun が欲しい or 欲しいです。Just add the object you want before が。For example, もっとお金が欲しいです。もっとお金が欲しいです。新しいスマホが欲しい。新しいスマホが欲しい。Not saying 私 I in sentences is important to sound more natural and native-like in Japanese. 欲しい is mainly used for yourself, but if you want to say someone else wants something, like my daughter wants a dog, or my friend wants a new car, you need to use 欲しがっている、欲しがっている or 欲しがっています、欲しがっています for the polite form. The format is as follows. Simply state who first, then add the object before を and finally add 欲しがっている or 欲しがっています。For example, たけるは新しい車を欲しがっている。たけるは新しい車を欲しがっている。娘は犬を欲しがっています。娘は犬を欲しがっています。Next up, we have blah blah, タイ、タイ or blah blah, タイです。タイです for the polite form. This is used when you want to do something, like saying, I want to eat sushi, or I want to go to Japan. To use this form, first you need to know verb stems. If you don't know about verb stems, don't worry. It's very simple. The easiest way to find verb stem is to take the mass form of a verb, like 食べます、行きます、勉強します、and drop ます。This leaves you with 食べ、行き、勉強し。These are verb stems. To make a sentence with たい, simply add たい to the verb stem, like 食べたい、行きたい、勉強したい。For example, 寿司が食べたい。寿司が食べたい。日本に行きたいです。日本に行きたいです。日本語を勉強したい。日本語を勉強したい。Now, if we were talking about someone else, like my son wants to play, or my grandma wants to see me, you need to use blah blah たがっている、たがっている or blah blah たがっています。 たがっています。Just take the verb stem like 愛、遊び and add たがっている or たがっています。like 会いたがっている、遊びたがっています。For example, 息子が遊びたがっている。息子が遊びたがっている。おばあちゃんが私に会いたがっています。おばあちゃんが私に会いたがっています。Alright, now if you want someone else to do something, like I want you to help me with house chores, or you are hoping for something to happen, like I want the weather to be nice tomorrow. Use blah blah 欲しい欲しい or blah blah 欲しいです欲しいです for the polite form. I introduced 欲しい earlier, but in this case it used differently. Take the verb in its te form like 晴れて or 手伝って and add 欲しい like 晴れて欲しい手伝って欲しい If you don't know how to form the te form, check my other video. For example, 明日晴れて欲しいです。明日晴れて欲しいです。家事を手伝って欲しい。家事を手伝って欲しい。Native speakers often omit あなた、you, just like we do with 私、I. But if you want to refer to someone other than the listener, you need to clearly state the name of the person or their role. For example, 旦那に家事を手伝ってほしい。旦那に家事を手伝ってほしい。Lastly, we have blah blah もらいたいもらいたい or blah blah もらいたいですもらいたいです for the polite form. These are similar to the previous one, but sounds a little more polite and indirect when hoping someone will do something for you. Like, I want my friend to hear me out, or I want you to understand me. The format is the same as previous one. Take the verb in its te form and add もらいたい like 聞いてもらいたいわかってもらいたい For example, 友達に話を聞いてもらいたい友達に話を聞いてもらいたい気持ちを分かってもらいたいです。気持ちを分かってもらいたいです。In a business settings, you can use the formal version of もらいたい, which is いただきたいです。いただきたいです。This is used when making a request to someone in a higher position, a client, or someone you need to show respect to. For example, 今週の予定をご確認いただきたいです。今週の予定をご確認いただきたいです。契約書にご署名をいただきたいです。契約書にご署名をいただきたいです。少々お時間をいただきたいのですが、よろしいでしょうか。少々お時間をいただきたいのですが、よろしいでしょうか。Here, のですが is a very useful phrase that helps you politely introduce a request, explanation, or background information. It makes your sentence sound more natural. And that's it for today's lesson on expressing want in Japanese. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next videos. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what would you like to see in my future video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた